Hey, what's up, Buy Smart fam? Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the nitty-gritty of your favorite gadgets so you can make the smartest buys. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head, the Ruko U11S and the RADCLO mini drone. It's gonna be a wild ride, so buckle up. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, price. The Ruko U11S is priced at $283. That's right, folks, it costs more than my monthly avocado toast budget. Meanwhile, the RADCLO mini drone is just $62. You can buy 4 RADCLO minis for the price of one Ruko and still have enough for a venti latte at Starbucks. So if you're ballin' on a budget, RADCLO's looking pretty good right now. Next, let's get a close-up on those cameras. The Ruko U11S boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera. That's right, 4K. You'll be capturing your backyard barbecue in ultra-high definition. On the flip side, the RADCLO mini drone has a 1080p adjustable FPV camera. It's like comparing a blockbuster movie to a YouTube vlog. Both are good, but one is just a tad more cinematic. Reviewers love the Ruko for its clear, stabilized video, while RADCLO users find its camera sufficient for casual fun. Now, let's talk flight time. The Ruko U11S can soar for 20 minutes on one battery and comes with an extra, giving you a total of 40 minutes. That's almost enough time to re-watch the last episode of your favorite Netflix series. The RADCLO mini, on the other hand, gives you 22 minutes with its 2 batteries. Not too shabby, but if you're planning a marathon drone session, Ruko's got you covered. Reviewers have praised Ruko for its reliable flight time, while RADCLO users appreciate the extra battery for extended fun. Feature time. The Ruko U11S is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It has GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, and beginner-friendly controls. It's basically the drone equivalent of having a personal assistant. Meanwhile, the RADCLO mini drone is no slouch either. It's packed with features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3D flip, and even gesture control. It's like the drone version of a party trickster, always ready to impress. Reviewers have highlighted Ruko's advanced features as a big plus, while RADCLO users enjoy its fun, easy-to-use tricks. Lastly, let's chat customer service. Ruko offers a 30-day return and a 90-day free warranty. It's like having a safety net for your drone adventures. RADCLO, not to be outdone, provides 24-hour technical support and a quality warranty. So if either drone decides to take a nap mid-flight, you're covered. Reviewers have generally been satisfied with Ruko's customer service, whereas RADCLO's customer support has received mixed reviews. Overall, both drones have received positive reviews for their respective price points and features. The Ruko U11S is praised for its high-quality camera, stable flight, and advanced features, making it a great choice for serious drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the RADCLO mini drone is appreciated for its affordability, fun features, and ease of use, making it a hit with families and beginners. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko U11S is like the luxury SUV of drones, packed with features and a price tag to match. The RADCLO mini drone is the fun, budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Whether you're a high-flying professional or just looking to have some fun, there's a drone for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below on which drone you're picking up. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.